Section 3.2 are applications of our exponential and logistic models that we learned in Section 3.1. The first couple examples start out with the basics, identifying exponential growth and decay. And specifically, number one asks us to determine if the function is exponential growth or decay and find that constant percent of growth or decay. So the function for number one is P of t equals 3.5 times 1.09. Because the factor in the parentheses is greater than 1, it is a growth function. And the percentage rate of growth is going to be how much we are over 100% or over 1. So that is going to be 0.09, which gives us 9% growth rate. Now number 7 asks us to write an exponential function given an initial value of 5, and we're being told that it's increasing at a rate of 17% per year. So we are going to write an equation like number 1. So P of t is going to be our initial value of 5 times 1 plus 0.17 to the t power. So our function is going to be P of t equals 5 times 1.17 to the t power.